You don't hate yourself. You just stop trusting yourself. Every time you break a promise to yourself, skip a workout, ignore your goals, or choose comfort over growth, your self-respect slowly erodes. Self-respect isn't confidence. It's integrity. It's doing what you said you would do, even when no one is watching. Step one, see it clearly. Ask yourself, how often do I procrastinate? How often do I break small promises to myself? How often do I choose easy over necessary? If the answer is too often, don't panic. You're not lazy. You're misaligned. The first step to self-respect is awareness. Step two, start small, win consistently. Pick one small promise today. Could be wake up at 6 a.m., do 10 push-ups, read 10 pages, keep it, no excuses. Repeat tomorrow, same promise or add one more. Every fulfilled promise rebuilds trust in yourself. It's like repairing a bridge one plank at a time. Step three, make discipline easier than procrastination. Put your phone away during important tasks. Organize your space so your goals are obvious. Remove temptations that let you break promises without thinking. Your environment should guide action automatically. Willpower alone won't rebuild self-respect. Systems will. Step four, stop thinking in feelings, start thinking in identity. Instead of asking, do I feel like doing this? Ask, what does a disciplined, reliable person do? Self-respect is earned in tiny, consistent choices, not big gestures or motivation. If you start applying this today, in 30 days, you'll notice your focus improving. You'll feel pride in yourself again, and you'll finally stop sabotaging your own potential. Discipline builds integrity. Integrity builds self-respect. If you want more strategies to rebuild your identity and take control of your life, subscribe. Iron Reserve is for people who execute even when they don't feel like it.